We are used to instantaneous mobile high-speed internet access nearly everywhere we are, at home, in cafes, in cars, and even while traveling around the world. Fast connections are ensured by technologies like LTE and soon 5G, the next generation of mobile communication. In an aircraft, these technologies are not available today. Usually Wi-Fi is offered. For onboard internet, passengers mostly have to fill in personal data like name and credit card details to be allowed to choose a data volume plan from the Wi-Fi network. If a large number of users are connected to the same access point, the Wi-Fi technology can struggle with performance issues. Time delays caused by satellite connections can also be inconvenient. Nowadays, most aircraft are connected to ground networks via satellite. For internet access, mobile phones connect to the onboard Wi-Fi network. The data is relayed by a satellite before it is sent to Earth. The same applies to the other direction. The relaying is noticed as delay.
It seems logical to integrate modern mobile technology into aircraft in order to enhance the user's experience during flights. LTE can offer services to all passengers of an aircraft with a high-performance connection. Airbus, Ericsson, CreateNet and KTH Stockholm started the EIT Digital Innovation Project ICARO EU to develop a seamless direct air-to-ground integrated communication system for Europe.
The idea is that passengers are automatically connected to an onboard LTE network when boarding the aircraft. The passenger should be able to see his or her own mobile operator without noticing any difference to the ground network. In addition, the user's experience is not, or at least less, affected by recognizable time delays. In the ICARO EU system concept, mobile phones can connect to a single onboard LTE system where multiple operators are accessible to the users. The data can be directly sent to modified ground-based stations and back. To cover the movement of an aircraft, the signal is handed over from one base station to the next. Airbus in Munich. After 1 year of research and innovation, the concept was integrated into a system prototype.
Our system prototype shows the situation of an airport with a ground network and an aircraft network, both providing multiple mobile operators. We demonstrate two functionalities: the seamless handover from the ground network into the aircraft network and the provision of multiple operators inside the aircraft.
The ICARO EU system prototype consists of the following parts: a mobile network base station antenna and gateway from Ericsson as an example of a cell in a ground network system at the airport. Inside the aircraft, an LTE base station to provide an onboard shared multi-operator network. When a passenger is boarding the aircraft, his connection is handed over from the ground network to the aircraft network. Both cells are connected to the cloud-based, virtualized, multi-operator 5G core network at Ericsson in Aachen, which manages the subscribers and the handover between the cells.
We will continue to add functionalities to the system, including the direct air-to-ground connection for enhancement of capacity. Our work on business modeling and regulatory aspects will be carried out next year to address emerging market and current technology opportunities.
The system that we have already installed showed excellent results. We are convinced that in the near future, ICARO EU concept will offer both seamless connectivity to passengers and new business potentials for airlines and mobile operators.